Hello students, welcome to computer class. As we have read the chapter working with Ubuntu, chapter number 3 in your computer book, today we are going to do the back exercise of this chapter. First question in your back exercise is application based question. Mehak has created a number of files on her school project and stored them on the desktop. She wants to keep all the relevant project files in a folder, but she has forgotten the way to create a new folder. Help her to create a folder. So, as we have already practically done that how to create a folder, so the answer is right click on the blank area of the desktop and select the new folder option. Next is Saurabh has created a folder for his project and saved it on his computer, but now he wants to rename it. Help him to do so. So, how to rename the folder as we have done it practically. So what we will do, right click on the folder and select the rename option. Right click on the folder and select the rename option. Next is Ria has deleted some important files from her PC by mistake. Which button will you suggest her to get the deleted files back? So the answer is restore button on the right side of the trash window. Next is question answer. Explain any two features of Ubuntu operating system. So two features of Ubuntu are Ubuntu has a very attractive appearance with colorful themes. And second is Ubuntu is available free of cost like Windows, unlike Windows or Mac. It can be freely downloaded from the website. What is a shortcut icon? A shortcut icon is an icon on the launcher that provides an easy and quick method to open any application or software that we frequently use. What is the difference between a file and a folder? File is a collection of related information stored together on some storage device such as hard disk, CD, DVD or pen drive. Whereas folder is a collection of relevant files. Files and folder can be differentiated from each other with the help of icons associated with them. Describe the usage of file folder. The file folder displays the content of the computer's hard disk or any other external storage media. Using the file folder, we can access and manage all the folders and files stored in computer. What does the properties option display when you right click on an object? Properties option gives the detailed information about the particular item, including its name, type, content, location and free space. Explain the use of dash window. The dash window helps in quickly finding applications and files in the computer. It is similar to the Windows Start menu. Now there are fill-ups. First is when we turn on computer, when we turn on PC, the first screen that appears on the monitor is called desktop. Next, Ubuntu is designed for use in classroom and homes and built on top of the dash base. Ubuntu. It is based on Ubuntu base. Next is the dash icon helps you quickly find applications and files in your computer. So dash is used to find applications and files in your computer. The context menu is also called the dash. Context menu is also called the shortcut menu. A folder within a folder is called subfolder. Using the dash folder, you can access and manage all the folders or files stored in a computer. Using file folder, you can access and manage files and folders stored in computer. Next is true false. Ubuntu is not a secure operating system. False. Ubuntu is totally secure operating system. An operating system controls all the activities of a computer. An operating system controls all the activities. It's true. Right clicking on any icon will display personalize option at the bottom of the displayed list. False. A folder can hold only files. False. You can also save pictures, music files, right? Next is to search for any application or file, type the name in the search bar of Places Pan. False. Next is shortcut icon provide an easy and quick method to open any application or software. True. Next is MCQ question. Which icon on the launcher is used to access all application installed on the computer? Dash icon. Dash icon on the launcher is used to access all application installed on the computer. A dash is a collection of related information stored together on some storage device. File is a collection of related information. Ubuntu is dash user interface, graphical user interface. The small labeled picture present on the desktop are known as icons. We can make the shortcut of our favorite program on the dash launcher. A dash in a computer is like cabinet where we can keep relevant files. So folder is like cabinet where we can keep relevant files. Which icon on the launcher is used to access all application installed on the computer? Dash icon is used to access all the application installed on computer. Next is answer in one word. Which key do you use to select the non-adjacent file? Control key. CTRL, short form, control key. Name the shortcut key using which a file or a folder can be renamed. F2 key. When you click on F2, the name will be selected and you can rename the folder. Which option do you get when you right click on the blank area of the desktop? So we get change desktop background option. Name the folder that display the content of the computer's hard disk or any other external storage media. So it is file. In which menu do we find the copy paste option? In edit option, we find the copy paste option. Name the bar that is present on the top of the desktop menu bar. Where does the deleted file move to Ubuntu interface? Deleted file moves to trash. So this is all about your back exercise. I hope you have understood how to do the back exercise of this chapter. So complete your back exercise. Thank you. Have a nice day and keep learning.